afternoon, good morning. Hello, guys. How are you doing today? I hope everyone is safe and sound. So, let's go quickly through our lesson today. We're going to talk about if clauses, better known as conditionals. Okay. So, for today, we're only going to focus on the first two conditionals, like the basic one, the zero conditional, and the first conditional. All right. Let's dig deep into our presentation. Now, what are if clauses? If clauses are also known as conditional clauses. They are used to express that the action in the main clause without if can only take place if a certain condition in the clause with if is fulfilled. In other words, let's see this. We have 5 types of conditional sentences. The first one is zero conditional sentence type 1, sentence type 2, type 3, and mixed type. So for today, we are only going to talk about the zero conditional and the first conditional. Okay, so let's see the definition. We use zero type to describe rules and scientific facts for situations that are generally true. If plus present simple, you have present simple. You understand this later. Okay, don't worry, I will explain everything. Example, let's see at this example. If you hit the metal, meaning if plus present simple, hit is the verb. In the second clause, you will have it expands. So it is a scientific fact. Okay, if you hit the metal, of course it will expand. Second example, if you hit snow, it melts. Of course. If you boil water, it evaporates. If you go around the world, you return to the same point. You don't need to be a genius to understand this. The door opens if you turn the switch. Of course, we always do it. I usually eat a few biscuits if I get hungry before lunchtime. Alright, so here is the table to understand the conditional. Okay, if or when plus present simple, you have present simple. Okay, if I get up late, I miss my bus. If I don't have my morning coffee, I get grumpy. When I talk to my mom, I feel homesick. Okay, let's see at this one. Result if when condition, present simple. I miss my bus if I get up late. So you can start your clause with if, or you can put if in the middle of the sentence. It's up to you. Okay, I get grumpy if I don't have my morning coffee. I feel homesick when I talk to my mom. Okay, so the choice is yours. Now let's look at this video quickly to understand the zero condition.
What is a conditional sentence? A conditional sentence is a sentence you use to express about a cause and effect. That's it. Bye-bye. Just kidding. But to be real, there are many types of conditionals, but the first type that we will learn here is the zero conditional. The formula is if or when, simple present verb, then simple present verb. But what is it used for, you ask? You use zero conditionals to express facts, rules, and things that are 100% true. So, for example, check out this sentence. If you heat ice, it melts. Is this a scientific fact? Will the effect happen 100% if the cause happens? Then this is a zero conditional sentence. Let's try another example. This time, let's play a game. Let's play tic-tac-toe. If you get 3 crosses in a row or 3 O's in a row, then you win. If you can't, then you lose. These are the rules, and this is also a zero conditional. So, These are examples of zero conditional sentences. You can use zero conditional sentences for facts and rules. Can you make examples of zero conditional sentences? Write them down in the comment section below. And don't forget to click to subscribe for more English grammar tips.
Fine. I hope that you enjoyed the video because it was very explicit. So now let's jump on to the type 1 conditional, okay? We use first conditional to talk about possible future events. Example, here's the structure. If plus simple present tense, you will have future tense. Example, if he gets any worse, I'll take him to the doctor. If I don't get into the academy this year, I'll try again next year. If you don't hurry up, we'll be late. If I don't get into the academy this year, I'll try again next year. Okay, so look here, you have if plus present simple gets, and the second clause you will have I'll or I will plus verb, meaning future tense. Okay, clear? Now let's look at the table. If plus condition, you have the result. If plus present simple plus will plus verb. Example, if you come over, I'll make some coffee. If we can't meet today, I'll make an appointment for next week. If the phone rings, I'll take it in the study. Okay? Or you can start with the result and finish with the condition, as I explained in the first, the zero conditional. Okay? Will plus base verb plus if plus present simple. For example, I'll take the call in the study if the phone rings. Okay, it's the same than this one, the first sentence, the last sentence here, but you just switch the result first, then the condition. Okay, I'll make an appointment for next if we can't meet today. I'll make some coffee if you come over. Okay, now let's watch this video to understand the first conditional. Ready? Let's go.
If you throw a ball in the air, it falls back down. If you pour water onto a fire, it gets put out. These are sentences that are called conditional sentences. These particular sentences are zero conditionals. Let's look at another type of conditional sentence. First conditionals. First conditionals are used to explain about conditions that have a real possibility of happening in the future. It's not 100% sure, but there is a big chance that it will happen. Let's look at an example. If I study hard, I'll pass the test. Is there a chance for me to pass the test if I study hard? Yes. Can this happen? Yes. Does it mean my passing is 100% guaranteed? No. But the test is a very likely thing that can happen, and that is a first conditional sentence. It has the structure of if plus present tense clause, will present tense clause. Now for another example. So you just woke up and looking outside the window, you see grey clouds. You say to yourself, if it rains, I'll go back to sleep. Or you can also say, I will go back to sleep if it rains. Is this situation possible? Yes. Will this situation happen 100%? No. So that's pretty much what a first conditional is. It's to talk about things that have a high chance of happening. Now, you try and make a first conditional sentence in the comment section below, and we'll see if you're correct.
Very well. So now we're going to stop here for today, and please open your book, Unit 18 and try to do the exercise on page 70, okay, or 71. Thank you very much for your attention. Bye.